Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make an all-time New England summer favorite. It's linguini and clams. So first thing you want to do is you want to get your fresh little necks. You want to make sure that they're closed. Make sure you clean them. And as long as they're closed, they're still alive. Alright, so it's just a few ingredients. We got onions, we got garlic, we got 4 tablespoons of butter, we got jalapeno, which is optional, and we have cracked red pepper. I guess optional. I think it's mandatory, but people like different spice. We got pecorino. We got some fresh basil, some fresh parsley, and some dry white wine. So I'm going to get all these ingredients prepped, and I'll come back and show you how to put it together. It's probably the easiest meal you can make, but also one of the best. Alright, now that we have all our items prepped, I'll head over to the stove and show you how easy this is. Alright, so I have some salted water boiling. I'm going to add my linguini. That'll cook for about 7-8 minutes. Alright, so once the pan is hot, you just want to add some oil. Then you'll add your onions. Want them to saute up pretty good. Now you're going to add your jalapenos if you're going to use them. Want to keep it moving so it doesn't burn. Alright, now once you get to that point, now you want to add in your clams. Now you can add your garlic. Now you add your crushed red pepper. Once you got the crushed red pepper in there, then you can add your wine. You add your white wine. And as soon as you add your white wine, you want to cover it tightly. Alright, so when you cover immediately, you're going to do two things. You're going to retain the heat, and you're going to steam the clams a lot quicker. And you're not going to lose any of the moisture from the wine. So we'll take a quick peek. Beautiful. Then once those clams open, they'll be cooked. And our job will be pretty much done here. Alright, so there we have it. It's about 6 minutes in. Most of the clams are opened. So now what we're going to do is going to add our butter. I know at the beginning I said 4 tablespoons. I really meant 2 tablespoons. You just want to melt that cold butter right in there. Alright, so the pasta's almost done, so what I like to do now is I just like to take a cup of the pasta water and I reserve it. In case my sauce is too thick, then I'll use the pasta water to thin it out. So what I like to do now is I like to dump it right on top of the pasta. I cook the pasta about 1 minute less than I normally would, and now I'm going to add this right to the pasta, finish cooking the pasta in it. The pasta will soak up some of the liquid, that's why I did reserve the cooking liquid to add to it. So I'll just let that simmer for about a minute, and then I'll put it in the bowl. Alright, now so the only thing left to do is plate it. So what I like to do is I like to grab the linguini and I start arranging the clams around the side of the linguini. Well, I'm going to feed me and my son, so I'll plate them both up. I like to put the linguini right in the center. You can plate it a lot of different ways. You can twist it, but we're just eating tonight, so. So as you see, I added that extra pasta water. Made the perfect amount of sauce. The only thing left to do now is a little bit of Parmesan cheese right on the top there. Fresh basil. And I can promise you nothing goes better with this than a nice fresh hot garlic bread. So there you have it, New England linguini and clams. Very simple. My favorite dish. Garlic bread definitely complements it. So I hope you enjoy the recipe. Until next time.